What's going on, guys? This is Brandy, your trusted realtor, and I'm coming to you with a quick tip. Now, we all know that winter comes every year, and with global warming seems to be coming faster and staying a little bit longer. And so one of the things you need to take care of, just like you take care of your own person when you're out in these elements, you want to take care of your house. And there's a few things that are going to make sure that you protect the longevity of your asset. The first is have your systems checked yearly. As the seasons change, whether you go from the AC to the heating, make sure you use your home warranty to call in for a routine service and inspection. The next is also have your fireplace checked. So those should be checked at least once every 2 to 3 years to ensure that there are no micro cracks inside of them. This also includes your washer and dryer and lint hatches. You know, one of the major causes of fires in homes is a stuffed washer and dryer lint hatch. Many people don't realize that those are fire hazards. Also, turn off your spigots. The spigots for both the front and the back of the home. This is going to ensure that there's no water inside of the pipe that's going to expand and cause your pipes to explode. And then finally, clear and check your gutters. Your gutters are going to hold a lot of debris, and you want to make sure that that water is staying and flowing away from the property. If you didn't hear this before, you'll hear from me. Water is the enemy, and we want to make sure that water is staying away from the property. So here's a few tips and tricks for you to make sure your home is up to top condition. Remember, you're in real estate for yourself, not by yourself, and I'm your trusted agent. Take care. Talk to you soon.